You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Russian. If you want to learn more confusing Russian names, make sure to stay tuned. And if you want to learn how to pronounce this famous of this name, somebody named this way that is famous, make sure to stay tuned. Ilyich, the Russian pronunciation, and in English, I'll let you know in a second. Ilyich, how to pronounce in Russian. Ilyich in English, therefore. Ilyich. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.